without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do when I'm walking on.
Welcome guys to today's class. In today's video, we want to solve possible exam questions on the topic alternating current circuit, as you can see on the board. Yes, on our YouTube channel, Chydonns Daniel YouTube channel or the Chydonns Academic class, you will see the theory aspect of this topic, alternating current circuits. We discuss a lot of things on this topic. And so we want to see how to solve questions, exam questions on this topic. And that is the focus of this video. Yes, let's start from question number 1. A 200 watts laptop is connected to a 240 volt AC line. Calculate the root mean square current flowing from the outlet. B. Calculate the peak current and peak voltage. C. Calculate the maximum power delivered. Now, if you want to solve this question, there are important points we talked on that video. We said that V root mean square voltage, that root mean square voltage is equal to what? VO over root 2. We also said that I root mean square current is equal to what? IO over root 2. What do we mean by VO and what do we mean by IO? IO means the peak current or the maximum current. Peak or maximum, they are synonymous. Peak current or maximum current. Then VO means peak voltage or maximum voltage. Look at how they are related. We also said that there is what we call average power. Average power. The average power is equal to I root mean square current times what? V root mean square. Then there is also what we call maximum power. Maximum power or peak power. Or peak power. That one will be going with what? Peak current and peak voltage. Peak current times peak voltage. Can you see now? This average power and maximum power are not the same. It is important to have this in our mind as we go about solving this. They gave us a 200 watts. That means power is equal to 200 watts. Then the voltage equals to what? 240 volts. But they are asking you calculate the root mean square current flowing from the outlet. That means that the power they are giving you is called average power. Average power. And the V they gave you is root mean square what? Voltage. Now you have to use average power equals to root mean square current times root mean square voltage. That means root mean square current being this, I root mean square current will be equals to average power. Average power divided by what? V root mean square voltage. And what is your average power? Average power is equals to, they gave it to you to be 200. Then the V root mean square voltage is 240. Then you use your calculator and compute it. You have 0.83 ampere. The unit of root mean square current is amps. Then we go to the next question. Determine the peak current. Determine the peak current and peak voltage. If you are able to what? Get your root mean square current, you can get your root mean square what? You can get your peak current or maximum current. How do you do that? You tell them that therefore maximum current is equal to root 2 times what? I root mean square current. So root 2 times what is our I root mean square current? We got it to be what? 0.83. That will be giving you 1.17 watts ampere. We note that. So we have solved question number A and B of the first question. Oh, we still remain peak voltage. How do we solve peak voltage? You say peak voltage equals to what? Root 2 times what? Root mean square what? Voltage. Root 2 times root mean square voltage. What is root mean square voltage? 240. Therefore, VO equals to 240 times root what? 2. 240 times root 2 will be giving you what? 339. 339 point what? 4 volts. Okay, so we have gotten our what? Peak current, peak voltage, root mean square what? Current. We know our root mean square voltage, and that is all. Then calculate the maximum power delivered. I said before now that average power is I root mean square times V root mean square. Maximum power or peak power is this. But do you know that V root mean square is equal to VO over this, right? That is, that VO is root 2 times V root mean square voltage. What do we mean, or what are we saying? IO is equal to what? Root 2 times I root mean square current. VO is equal to root 2 times V root mean square voltage. And so if you multiply both of them, that will be giving you that maximum power will be equal to 2 times V root mean square voltage and what? I root mean square current. Okay, let's understand what we are saying here. We are saying that we noted that VO is equal to what? Root 2 times V root mean square. We say VO equals to root 2 V root mean square. IO is equal to root 2 I root mean what? Squared. Noted. Now, maximum power simply means IO times VO. That means this times this. We'll be having maximum power to be equal to root 2 V root mean square voltage times root 2 I root mean square current. That is what we just wrote here. Root 2 times root 2 will give you 2. That means we'll be having it to be 2 times V root mean square voltage times I root mean square current. That means, since we noted that V root mean square voltage and what? I root mean square, that when you multiply both of them, you have average power. Now, maximum power means 2 times the multiplication of these two. That means that maximum power, mass power, is equal to 2 times average what? Power. I just want to remind us this information because we discussed it in the theory of this topic. I said we have posted it on the channel. So what I am saying is that if they ask me to find maximum power, already they have given me the average power in the question. I'll just say maximum power equal to 2 times what? Average power. That will be giving me 400 watts. I will not waste my time. So if we multiply I root mean square times this, what it will give you is 0.83 times what is your V root mean square? 240. That is, we have done this. I root mean square 0.83, V root mean square 240, then times 2. Times 2. You'll be having 398.4 watts. 398.4 watts. That is from approximation. That means approximating it to nearest 100. Okay, to nearest tens will be giving you 400. 398.4. 398.4 to nearest tens means ask 8, are you up to 5? Yes, call it 1, put it here. You have 0, put it here, 4. So it gives you 400. But the simplest way of solving it is, having noted that average power, which is this times this, when you multiply by 2 is maximum power. Multiply that average power by 2, you get your answer. Do you understand what we are saying? Okay, so that means the maximum power is 400 watts. The peak voltage, we said the peak voltage is equal to I2 times V root mean square, and that is 240 times what? Root 2. Then the peak current is equal to I equals to root 2 times what? I root mean square. That is root 2 times 0.83. That is about 1.17 ampere. Then root mean square current, we say is equal to average power over what? V root mean square. Average power over V root mean square. And that will be giving you 200 over 240. That gives you 0.83. So we have solved question number 1. We go to question number 2.